You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. A bit confusing. The spelling makes it confusing, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward. That designates anything that relates to swine or pigs, so essentially piggish. The English pronunciation in all dictionaries reference it this way. I know Google sometimes says porcine, but no, in English it's normally pronounced as porcine. Porcine, from pork, obviously. Porcine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.